In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into the app menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. You can also go into settings, scroll down and look for location section. When you find it, click on it. Lastly, click on this switcher next to location access to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!